Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Action. How are you today?
Yeah, how are you feeling? We hope you're doing great. We are so happy to see you here again.
Today, we have something really fun and useful for you. We will learn how to talk about yesterday in clear and simple English.
Think about this. Someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" If you don't know what to say, the conversation stops. That can feel a little awkward.
But don't worry. Together, we'll practice easy sentences, listen to a short story, and by the end, you'll be ready to share your own yesterday.
So, stay with us till the end. This is going to be fun. All right. Let's practice 10 sentences about yesterday. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and feel free to say them loudly.
Sentence 1. Yesterday, I woke up late. Repeat. I woke up late. Again. I woke up late.
Sentence 2. I ate breakfast at home. Repeat. I ate breakfast at home. One more time. I ate breakfast at home.
Sentence 3. I went to the park. Repeat. I went to the park. Once more. I went to the park.
Sentence 4. I met my friend. Repeat. I met my friend. Again. I met my friend.
Sentence 5. I drank coffee. Repeat. I drank coffee. Once more. I drank coffee.
Sentence 6. I watched TV. Repeat. I watched TV. Again. I watched TV.
Sentence 7. I studied English. Repeat. I studied English. One more time. I studied English.
Sentence 8. I cooked dinner. Repeat. I cooked dinner. Again. I cooked dinner.
Sentence 9. I cleaned my room. Repeat. I cleaned my room. One more time. I cleaned my room.
Sentence 10. I went to bed early. Repeat. I went to bed early. Again. I went to bed early. Lily, now tell us more about your yesterday. Please share everything, step by step.
Of course, John. Yesterday was a busy and beautiful day. Let me start from the morning. I woke up at 7 a.m. The sun was shining through my window. I opened the window and felt the fresh air. It was so nice. Then I made a cup of tea and ate bread with cheese and honey. Breakfast was simple, but it gave me energy. After breakfast, I cleaned my room. I folded my clothes, washed the dishes, and even watered my little plant. The plant looked very happy.
Did you go out after that?
Yes, I went shopping at the supermarket. I bought tomatoes, cucumbers, rice, and apples. I also bought chocolate because I love sweet things. At the supermarket, I met my neighbor. She asked me, "Why are you carrying so many bags?" I said, "Because I want to cook something special today." We laughed together. In the afternoon, I studied English. I watched a video and practiced speaking for 30 minutes. Dear viewers, just like me, you can study a little every day. Small steps help you grow. After studying, I went to the park for a walk. The weather was warm and many children were playing football. I listened to music and walked slowly. It was relaxing.
Hmm. Did you cook something special with all those vegetables?
Yes, I cooked pasta with vegetables. It smelled so good. After cooking, I invited my friend Anna to join me. She came and we ate together. We talked about our jobs and our plans. Later, another friend called me. She asked if I could lend her some cash because she forgot her wallet at the store. It was funny, but of course I helped her. At night, I watched a comedy movie. I laughed a lot. The movie helped me relax after a busy day. Before sleeping, I wrote in my diary. I cleaned my room, studied English, went for a walk, cooked dinner, and spent time with friends. It was a good day.
That sounds like a wonderful day, Lily.
Yes, John. Yesterday was full of small but happy moments. John, it's your turn. Tell us about your yesterday.
Okay, Lily. Yesterday was a busy day, but also fun. In the morning, I woke up early. I went jogging in the park near my house. The air was fresh and the sun was bright. I felt strong and happy after the run.
That sounds great. Did you meet anyone in the park?
Yes, I saw my neighbor. We said hello and talked for a few minutes. It was nice. Around noon, I had lunch with a friend. We went to a small restaurant. I ate pizza, and my friend had pasta. We talked a lot and shared funny stories.
Oh, really? What was the funniest story?
My friend told me he tried cooking last week, but he burned the rice completely. In the afternoon, I went home and read a book. It was about travel and adventure. The book made me dream about visiting new countries.
That's wonderful, John. Reading is the best way to travel with your mind.
In the evening, I watched a movie on TV. It was a comedy, and I laughed so much. After the movie, I felt tired but happy.
Wow, John. Your day sounds really full and interesting.
Yes, Lily. Yesterday was a good day.
John, when you talk about yesterday, you always say words like went, ate, saw, watched. Why?
Good question, Lily. These are verbs in the past tense. For example, go becomes went. I went to the park. Eat becomes ate. I ate pizza. See becomes saw. I saw my neighbor. Watch becomes watched. I watched a movie.
So, if I want to talk about yesterday, I must use these past tense verbs.
Exactly. If you say, I go to the park yesterday, it's not correct. But I went to the park yesterday is correct.
Perfect. Viewers, remember this. Using past tense makes your English sound natural.
Mini quiz. Past tense practice. It's quiz time. I will say a sentence, and you tell me if it is correct or wrong. Ready? Question 1. I go to the park yesterday. Correct or wrong? Answer. Wrong. It should be, I went to the park yesterday. Question 2. Yesterday, I ate pizza for dinner. Correct or wrong? Correct. Question 3. I see my friend yesterday. Correct or wrong? Wrong. It should be, I saw my friend yesterday. Question 4. Yesterday, I watched a movie with my family. Correct or wrong? Correct. Question 5. I drink tea yesterday. Correct or wrong? Wrong. It should be, I drank tea yesterday.
Wow, you made it to the end of the video. That means you are really serious about learning English. I'm so proud of you.
Yes, only the true learners stay until the end. You are amazing.
Today, you learned how to talk about yesterday using the past tense. That's a big step forward.
But remember, practice makes perfect. So tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday? Write your answer below, and we'll read them.
And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
This is English in Action, and we can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Bye
Bye
for
for
now.
now.